Hi there, Vince here. Welcome to WPMedic. There are 4 things to learn from this YouTube channel. First, build websites. Hiring someone to build your website can be very expensive and costly. But if you know how to build one, and if you are willing to get your hands a little dirty and willing to learn, you can save a lot of money and earn later in the process. Second, troubleshooting websites. Maintaining a website can be a daunting task at times, but here in this channel, I will teach you the most common problem of WordPress website and how to fix them. Third, how websites can help you. Why build website anyway? What is it for me? This will give you the idea that websites can be profitable and can be fun to build. Fourth, how to earn from websites. Websites are more like an investment. Improve your skills, manage them well, and increase your knowledge on how to monetize them. Sounds exciting? What are you waiting for? Subscribe now to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell.